What's up, everybody? This your boy Jacques, and here's another episode of 2 Minute Tuesday. In my last video, I was down here in Lighthouse Point, Florida, and you seen this beautiful home. Now let me stop the video right here. If you haven't watched it, click on this card right above the screen. Make sure you watch that video, then come back to this one. Alright, let's go. Now this home is right down the street from the home from the last video. It's literally 2 homes away. Now this home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 2,000 square feet, 2,135 to be exact, and it was built in 1963. Woo! Now this beautiful Venetian Island home is located on a point lot of the South Grand Canal. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, as I said before, a large living space, dining room, and a 2-car garage. Now this amazing property also has 166 feet of seawall, granite and stainless steel in the kitchen, as well as travertine floors in the whole entire home. Man, this home was beautiful. Now the owners of this home did upgrade a few things. They also had impact doors in windows and a hurricane rated garage door, so nothing flies out if a hurricane comes through. There was a new AC and line filtration system, and also the roof was updated as well. Also in the back, which you'll see in a second, there's a 3-year-old 30,000-pound boat lift. Woo! As always with these type of homes, the backyard is where it's at. So let's go to the back and look at this amazing pool, the amazing view, and also the canal back here. Again, it was up to me, guys. I'm either in the game room or I'm in the backyard barbecuing and looking at this beautiful scenery. Look at this. Beautiful. The canal width in the back is about 81 to 120 feet. There's no fixed bridges and also has ocean access and a point lot. This home is worth $1,700,000. So make sure you grab this home. This home is not going to stay in the market for too long. Now, question of the day. Do you guys love homes with canals in the back for you and your family? I would love to know. Drop your answers in the comment section below. Now, as always, guys, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure that notification bell is on so you can see all my videos. And as always, have a great day. Have a great week. And I'll see you in the next one.